operates the computer. It processes information and other tasks with the use of graphical user interface. Few years before, computer is based on DOS, that is disk operating system, where you cannot see pictures, photos, etc., and you have to type commands to complete the task. But nowadays, computers are Windows based, which is possible due to graphical user interface, where you can see movies, play games, view photos, etc. The symbol shows on this desktop is known as icons. It to represents different tasks. Files files can be saved onto the desktop, or it can be saved in the folder. This folder is like a folder available into the office. Computer files are similar to the papers stored into the folder, which are kept into cupboard, whereas computer folders are kept into hard disk. Computers hard disk information stored on them, printers and other devices attached to the computer, and information related to them can be viewed using an icon shaped like a computer. This icon is as known as my computer. To delete the data from the computer, there is an icon shaped like a dustbin, which is known as recycle bin. Like a dustbin, your files cannot be deleted until and unless you empty the recycle bin. But after empty the recycle bin, you cannot recover the deleted files at any cost. So keep in mind that delete the files only whenever you are confirmed. With the help of icons like Internet Explorer, or Network Neighborhood or Outlook Express, you can get connected with internet to communicate with all over the world.